Sedona does not disappoint, that's for sure. Just amazing. Greetings, salutations. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today we're on day 3 of my 30-day camping series, heading throughout the entire western side of the United States, bunch of different national parks. And so I appreciate you coming along for the ride. Today we're gonna be headed down to the Sedona Supercharger to top up. I have 48% right now after using camp mode last night. I ended up using somewhere around 18% in 19 hours. So as I've said before, it's usually just about a little less than 1% per hour with camp mode. And pretty much any type of weather. I've noticed that there's obviously a little bit more when it's super hot or super cold, you'll use a little bit more, but overall it's a little less than 1% per hour. And then we're gonna head to lunch and just explore the downtown Sedona area. There's lots of little restaurants and shops and things like that in that area. So we'll go check that out. And then from there, we're gonna head back to the campsite here, which we are at what's called Cave Springs Campground. It's about 15-20 minutes north of Sedona, just south of the Flagstaff area. And then when I get back here, I'm gonna start up a campfire. And tonight for dinner, we're gonna be grilling up some steaks, probably some hash browns and broccoli. So looking forward to that, looking forward to just hanging out, sitting around the campfire tonight, enjoying the outdoors. And then tomorrow, on to the next adventure. All right, let's get on the road and head down to the Sedona Supercharger. All right, so just getting ready to leave the Cave Springs Campground. We're gonna go down to the Sedona, Arizona Supercharger. 14 stalls, 72 kilowatt max. So a bit slow, but let's head there.
Drive south on North State Route 89A for 10.9 miles.
Yeah, only 18 miles away, 37 minutes. I don't know. It's slow, like when you're going down the mountain and stuff, so maybe. Let's see. It's 12:52 right now. We'll see how long it takes to get there. It says we'll arrive with 41%. I'll probably charge up to around 80-85% then.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
And here comes the traffic. Gosh, there's a little hold up.
In 500 feet, enter the roundabout and take the second exit.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
In 500 feet, turn right. Now turn right.
All right, just got here to the Supercharger in Sedona. I'm gonna go hook up and it'll probably be here maybe about 30 minutes or so. See, we arrived with 44%. Yeah, we had to go all the way through Sedona and then kind of to the southern side. ready to charge. Yeah, these are the older 72 kilowatt superchargers. Still says ready to charge, but not charging. Interesting. All right, let's go try unhooking. All right, so yeah, I tried charging on that one, but it's not working. So I tied it in a knot. It wouldn't do anything. Moved over one spot, no problem now. So getting the full 74 kilowatts in. 25 minutes remaining to get to 80%. I'm gonna run inside real quick and then we'll take off, head to downtown Sedona, just walk around and explore. All right, we have 1 minute left to 80%. I actually think I'm gonna charge up a little bit more. I'm gonna put it up to 100, simply because I'm not gonna go that far, but I'm gonna go to like 85, 90, probably 90%. Kind of makes sense just to stick around for maybe around another 10 minutes. All right, so ended up getting up to 90%. Ended up being $15.21. All right, I'm gonna go unhook and then go explore for a little bit. Well, decided to take this trail called Little Horse, and Sedona does not disappoint, that's for sure. Just amazing. All right, just got back to the car. That was super fun. I think now it's time to go get a little lunch and some ice cream. All right, so that Mexican food was delicious. Ended up having a late lunch, and I was gonna get ice cream right after, but then decided I'm like stuffed and I need a little time. I did see a Dairy Queen kind of halfway up the mountain on the way back, so I may end up stopping there, getting a Blizzard or something like that, or at least an ice cream cone. All right, so I'm gonna head back to the campground now, and then tonight I'm gonna build a fire, and then I'm gonna make a steak with hash browns and broccoli with kind of some type of butter sauce on it. Oh, and by the way, I can see that I'm already getting red from today. Going on that hike and then just walking around Sedona here. You can tell this deep, dark olive tan gets a little red sometimes. I even put on SPF 50, I think. Still red. Oh well, guess that's that Scandinavian, German blood in me. All right, let's head back. steaks. And grab 1 stick of butter. Right. Some broccoli and some hash browns. They didn't have baked potatoes, so ended up just getting this. That should be it. All right, that's what we're gonna steam the broccoli in. That should be pretty good to go. Getting ready for the potatoes and the steak.
But I'm afraid of how everything goes cold after a while. Been wondering if I ain't a friend to me. And how could you be? How could you be? Yeah, I've been searching for clear water. Clear water. Yeah, I need some clear water. Let it wash all over me. Let it wash all over me.
All right, so I had to call an audible on the potatoes. I ended up putting them in the pan here. It was taking way too long on the fire. Just wasn't hot enough, and I wasn't gonna sit around and wait for that. So got those going in there. Got the broccoli already done in there. Just some thin ribeyes. Shouldn't take too long at all. All right, there we go. There's dinner. Time to eat. I'm starving. Pretty good if I say so myself. All right, well, that was delicious. I think now I'm probably just gonna clean up, which is the not fun part. And then I'm gonna head over to the fire here and just hang out for probably about an hour before heading inside. All right, let's get this stuff cleaned up. All right, I think it's time for bed. All right, I'm back in the car now. Just got it set at 69 degrees in here. And that should be good for the rest of the night. I'm probably it's already 9:41, so I have 74% right now, so I have plenty of battery. See the back, all ready for bed. Oh, looks like I got an intruder back there flying around. All right, I'm gonna have to get that out of there. All right, so it's been a long day. I'm tired, I'm ready for bed. I'm gonna head back there, maybe watch a little bit of a movie or something to fall asleep. But then I'll probably wake up pretty early tomorrow and get on the road, start heading up toward Flagstaff. And after Flagstaff, I'm on to the Grand Canyon. So I really appreciate you watching, especially this far. If you are new here, again, my name is Bryan Hauer, and I travel around in my EV, doing a lot of outdoors things like camping, hiking, fishing. And so if you're into that kind of thing and you want to follow along on my journey as I hit about 10 or 15 national or state parks over the next 30 days, make sure you're subscribed. So I think that's about it for this video. Again, truly appreciate you watching. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next travel, quick tip, or review video. Thanks for watching.